Hello everyone, I am Tejas Thakur. Welcome to the 10th video of this 12 video series of our module Debt Demystified. This is being brought to you by ProStart, a video-based training initiative by Kotak Mutual Funds. In the earlier video, we learned about credit rating. In this 10th video, we'll look at certain credit rating agencies in the country. So credit rating agencies in India, they are as follows. 1. CRISIL Limited, India Ratings and Research Private Limited, ICRA Limited, CARE, Brickwork Rating India Private Limited, SMERA Ratings Limited, Infometrics Valuation and Rating Private Limited. So let's begin with the first one, which is CRISIL. So CRISIL, or Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, is one of India's oldest credit rating agencies and was set up way back in 1987. CRISIL had been operational not only in India but is present in countries like US, UK, Poland, Hong Kong, China, and Argentina. The registered address is of Mumbai. At number 2, we have India Ratings and Research Private Limited. India Ratings and Research Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the FITS Group, provides accurate and timely credit options on country's credit market. The firm covers corporate issuers, financial institutions, managed funds, urban local bodies, project finance companies, and structured finance companies. Its registered office is also in Mumbai. At number 3, we have ICRA. ICRA, or Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency, is a joint venture of Moody's and Indian Financial and Banking Service Organization and was established way back in 1991. The organization is known for assigning corporate governance ratings, performance ratings, mutual fund rankings, and much more. Its registered office is in New Delhi. At number 4 position, we have CARE. CARE, or Credit Analysis and Research Limited, is a credit rating agency that is operational from 1993. The agency provides credit rating that helps corporates to raise funds for their investment requirements. Investors can make decisions based on the credit risk and the risk return expectations. The registered address is of Mumbai. At number 5, we have Brickwork Rating India Private Limited. BWR, or the Brickwork Ratings, is accredited by RBI, empaneled by NSIC, or the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, MSME, or the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ratings and Grading Services, in addition to its registration with the SEBI. It has received accreditation from NABARD for MFI and NGO grading. Brickwork is also authorized to grade companies seeking credit facilities from IREDA, Renewable Energy Service Providing Companies, or RESCOs, and System Integrators, or SIs. Canara Bank was the leading promoter and strategic planner for Brickwork. The registered address is of Bangalore. At number 6, we have SMERA Ratings Limited. SMERA analyzes and establishes the credibility of existing micro, small, and medium enterprises, or the MSMEs. Its registered address is of Mumbai. At number 7, we have Infometrics Valuation and Ratings Private Limited. It is also RBI accredited rating agency. It was founded by finance professionals, former bankers, administrative service personals. It evaluates entities such as banks, non-banking financial companies, large corporates, and small and medium scale units, or the SMUs. Its registered address is of New Delhi. I hope our discussion on the various credit rating agencies was useful to you and it has added some value. It's time to play on the front foot, but cautiously. As we move on the risk return matrix from low risk to high risk, the products which are there in terms of categories are in front of you. So, basis the risk appetite of your customer, kindly suggest products to him or her. It's time to notch up the risk appetite, but one at a time. Hopefully, this session was of use to you. And now we come and move forward to the quiz time. So some self-check questions for you. Question number 1 coming up. How many credit rating agencies do we have in India? This is pretty simple. There are 7 credit rating agencies in the country. Question number 2 coming up. CRISIL is operational in how many countries? Beyond India, CRISIL has been operational in countries like the US, UK, Poland, Hong Kong, China, and Argentina. The final question for the day. When was ICRA Limited established? ICRA, or the Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency, a joint venture of Moody's and Indian Financial and Banking Services Organization, was established in 1991. So thank you so much for listening to me patiently on this session, which is credit rating agencies. You've been with us through all the 10 videos till now. In the next video, we'll have a look at the credit rating simples. Till then, take care. Thank you once again and have a nice day.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.